A day at the river is just what we needed.
Especially when it includes a picnic.
What yummy food did you bring us, milady?
Pizza, an omelet, some potato chips.
And best of all, cream puffs! I love them!
That bird loves them more than you do, Meatball.
Wow, Meatball! There's still one cream puff left.
All right, Pilu. Better save it. I'll eat when things have settled down. Finally, I can enjoy my sandwich. Wait, we got an emergency!
There's only one sandwich here.
What? Sorry. With all the rush, I forgot about the other sandwiches.
No problem. We're passing through Scraped Peak.
No, it would be like going back.
For now, let's move on.
Uncle Greg!
Buffycats, what are you waiting for? Nothing is impossible for a ranger cat.
But I'm so hungry.
Oh, yum. Cornbread, butter, and honey.
Great! Now we can have a healthy, natural snack together.
Now that you mention it, Mimi, you know, this is the type of snack I used to have as a kid. I remember that when I did... It ended up like this.
Our snack!
Don't worry, Pilu. On my farm, there's always a way to find a snack.
It's true that snack time on the farm
Is the possumest snack time
Meatball, thanks for giving us all your emergency food.
You're welcome, milady. I deserve a reward for this. Ah! I'm sorry, my furry fellows. I couldn't resist the hamburger.
But you'll have to resist, Meatball. We need all the ingredients we can get. To break the record, our hamburger will have to be higher than the roof.
Hi, Gabby.
Hello, Buffycats. I hear you want to break the hamburger world record. That's possum news.
Get busy, Buffy losers, because I'm gonna play a little prank on you very soon. Uh-huh. And I already know what it's gonna be. Terry! Terry! Hurry up! Lampo's about to fall! You have to save him!
Okay, I got it. This is a job for a firefighter cat. Hey, Lampo is in danger. I gotta save him.
All right, my furry fellows. Our hamburger is getting super tall.
I'll save you, Lampo.
Oh, my whiskers! The hamburger's gonna fall!
Oh, no. Our hamburger fell over.
Sorry, Buffycats.
Come on, Buffycats. Have a seat.
Lampo, this gift is too heavy.
Did Meatball just say gift? I want to see the gift!
Yep, it's a gift. A gift for the ants.
What? A gift for the ants?
Yeah, haven't you heard? Today is National Ant Day. We brought sandwiches for them. Hey, milady, did you fill them with broccoli?
No, I forgot. Could you go look for some broccoli?
Milady, I can't stand broccoli.
I love broccoli. I'll go.
You're not hungry, Meatball. You're thirsty.
I'm not thirsty. I'm hungry.
You're not hungry. You're thirsty. Drink.
Okay, I'll just drink this super duper crazy triple carbonated orange soda.
But we're at the park. Where can I find broccoli here?
I don't know. Just look around and maybe you'll find some.
Meanwhile, we'll finish setting up for our picnic.
Sorry, I didn't find anything.
Surprise! Happy birthday,
Dear Pilou,
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, best friends ever! That means you didn't forget!
and this is for you.
A scooter! It's Possum! I love you, Buffycats!
Subscribe to the channel.